welcome back guys to our YouTube channel, Jerotics TV. Yes, for today's video, I just want to react and share this to you, another Money4 song requested by Betty Kaidem. Yes, another Money4 song guys, and this song is with the this music with the title of Chelok Nari. Yes, Chelok Nari. I don't know what's the meaning of Chelok Nari. If you know this meaning, just comment down below on my comment section guys, so that we will know what is the meaning of Chelok Nari. Okay, so yes, the artist here I think is Sosyant and Tengam AJ Maisnam. Official music video. This was released on 2020, so that was 1 year ago guys. So yes, the owner of this video guys is H360 Pictures. Thank you so much guys for allowing me for this music video that was requested by my viewers. So let's start and watch the video. So before that, make sure that you're subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video guys. So without further ado, let's get now and watch the video. Chelok Nari. Wow, beautiful lady.
Numpukdagi pairat pancheklaga, numchukdagi pairat pangpuriga.
I like the view.
Numpukdagi pairat pancheklaga, numchukdagi pairat pangpuriga. Sana kununay denuk simapau puduna.
These you guys from India, right? Yeah. Somewhere in India, guys. There is snow there. It's a different view here. You know the guy, just like a Korean artist guys. Yes, very but he looks like Korean artist.
Mahusagi khalna kairapara khud se na thingba ngamdabagum sabi sanaugi pal su chatna bi na thingba ngamlaro.
Sounds good.
Mahusagi khalna kairapara khud se na thingba ngamdabagum sabi sanaugi pal su chatna bi na thingba ngamlaro. Nuksigi paujel puduna nungsi Chelok Nari.
And the lady guy, she's like a Filipina. Yes, she looks like a Filipina. And the guy is Korea. Yes, Korean artist. But I don't know guys. have no idea.
Nakin thada yening hulle ikang thada nong likhikle.
He always watching this lady.
Thamoy se samjin khare nung sige nong likna. Nakin thada yening hulle ikang thada nong likhikle. Uflo luraba thamoy se samjin khare nung sige nong likna. Nung si pao jel pudo na nung si chilok na rin.
Perfect lovers.
Pudo na nung si chilok na rin.
I like the flow of this music, guys. Oh, I think the lady here is like a deaf. Yes, she's deaf, guys. Yes, I think the lady here is a deaf, guys. Oh, that's all, guys. Chelok Nari music video. Did you like it, guys? Because me, if you asking me, guys, I love it and I like it so much, guys. Especially those plays. Yes, very perfect from Perfect Lovers. You know, the guy there just like a Korean artist. Yes, just like a Korean artist, and the lady there just like a Filipina artist. She looks like a Filipina for me, so don't be angry for that, guys. All right, so what else? Yes, of course, I would like to thank also H360 Pictures for allowing me again to react this kind of a Money For song. Wow, this is a perfect for me, guys. This is a very perfect Money For song for me. And then what else? Yes, of course, to my fellow friends there in Northeast India, for always there to watching my reaction of video. Thank you so much, guys. And for my country, thank you so much again, guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa reaction of video ko. So before we end this reaction of video, guys, I just want to remind you, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit my bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Northeast India, for always there to support my channel and to love my channel. See you there, guys, until the next reaction of video. I love you all and God bless you. Bye.